According to McKinsey, 72% of executives say AI is a top strategic priority. Only 10% say they feel confident enough to actually lead on it. That gap is not a technology problem, it is a strategy problem. And closing it starts with one reframe. AI is not an IT project, it is a business strategy decision. That distinction changes everything. Most AI initiatives fail before they ever deliver value. Not because the technology does not work, but because the wrong person owns them and the wrong question gets asked first. That gap between intention and execution is where most organizations get stuck. Here is the simplest strategic lens I know. Every AI opportunity should connect directly to one of three business outcomes: growing revenue, reducing cost, or reducing risk. If you cannot draw a straight line from an AI initiative to one of those three outcomes, it is a science project, not a strategy. Apply this test before you approve any AI investment. Revenue, cost, risk. Every AI initiative your team proposes should map to one of these three. If it cannot answer which one it addresses and by how much, it is not ready to fund. This framework does not require a technical background, it requires business judgment. The companies winning with AI have one thing in common: a business leader owns the outcome, not the CTO, not the IT department. AI strategy that lives in technology stays in technology. It needs a named business owner, a clear success metric, and executive sponsorship before a single line of code is written. Without that, your AI initiative is set up to fail before it starts. The pattern is consistent across every organization that gets this right. They start with a real business problem and work backwards to find the AI solution. The organizations that struggle start with an AI tool and search for a problem to justify it. The starting point determines everything. Being an AI literate leader is no longer a differentiator. It is a baseline expectation. Here is your action from this video. Pick one business problem in your organization that costs real time or money. Define what success looks like in measurable terms. Then find the AI that solves it. Start there. Not with the technology, but with the problem.